Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आणि FC गोवा आणि Salvador दी मुंद पंचायत दोघं जण मिळून we came to a understanding की facilities what are required for our people plus support what पंचायत requires to run these facilities plus ग्राउंड यूथ डेव्हलपमेंट करपा जाय जाल्यार यूथ डेव्हलपमेंटाक करपाक रिलेटेड इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तांचो टॅलंट करपाक तांकां कोचिंग टीम्स सगळें तयार करपाक यूथ डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या अंडर all these things would have come under will be coming under one part. We have found a way out, and with this way out I expect that the talent in Porvorim under the three panchayats will get a huge boost. A ground baro मेळटलो लोकल्सांक खेळपाक डेली प्लस जांकां ट्रेनिंग जाय भुरग्यांक प्रॉडिजीज ते नवे तयार करपाक जाय ते तयार करपाक आमकां FC गोवा कडल्यान पंचायतीक हेल्प मेळटलो. हे सगळो मॉड्यूल काडून आज इनॉग्रेशन जाल्लें आसा. यूथ डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोग्राम म्हाका दिसता नेक्स्ट 8 to 10 days will be launched for the people of Porvorim.
On behalf of FC Goa, I would like to thank Sir Rohan Conte, our MLA, and also Sandeep sir. You know, we have been looking for a home for FC Goa for many years, and we have tried to work with many different parties, but they were the first panchayat that we were actually able to move quickly. We were able to come in, take decisions quickly. And you know, the result is something that the start of that is something we can all see. We already have one field. Soon in a few months we are going to have a second world class field.
आमकां बरो एक खोशयेची गजाल आसा की आमचो जो ग्राउंड आसा हो पार्ट 2 सेकंड ग्राउंड जो आयज आमी ग्रास लावपाचें इनॉग्रेशन केल्लें आसा आनी रोखडो जो रेडी जाता.
On behalf of Salvador Mundo Youth, I would like to thank our MLA, Mr. Rohan Conte, Sandeep Salgaonkar, our Sarpanch, and the full FC Goa. They've given us this ground. This ground was left a long time because of no fund and all. But today we are grateful that we are getting a platform for all the youngsters